Hey there, Sean from Street or Track. Pete from Washington State just ordered one of our brake kits. It's the 12 by 1 1/4 4R system. Fits under 15-inch aluminum wheels or larger. And I'm going to take you through a few of the details of the parts that are in this kit. So the first part I'd like to talk about would be the bracket. This is a custom designed bracket that mounts the caliper to the drum spindles. It's CNC machined, mounted to this steel plate. It's going to fit straight onto the drum spindle like so. It's a really nice piece. It's got steel inserts in here so you can thread on and off the caliper without gouging the aluminum piece. Next up would be our new Billet Steel Hub. This is a super nice piece, really proud of this. Matt, our CAD guy, is an absolute wizard, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's made from a heat-treated alloy. It's super strong. It's got a screw-on dust cap, which is really, really nice. No more pounding on the stock style ones. The dust cap is the same height as the original style, so should fit under any center caps or anything like that, but it's so cool looking, you might want to run it without a center cap and have this poking out. It's got a little silicone O-ring in there as well to seal that up. This particular one has got some ARP studs in it. Standard studs are also available. Next up would be the caliper. These are really, really nice. These are our 4R calipers. This is forged in the United States. It's a 4-piston caliper. It's got stainless pistons, square edge seals, big, thick pads on this one. Very wide caliper, stiff, great pedal feel. I've personally driven this caliper, Road America, many different places. Perfect for the street with a set of street pads or on the track. The pads are plenty thick enough to handle some abuse, and we have a couple of different compounds. We have a really nice street compound that'll work well from cold. And then this particular one is going to go on a Boss 302 road race car, so it's going to have some track pads in there. And then finally we're on to the brake rotor itself. These are US cast brake rotors that we machine to the 12 inches by 1 1/4 thick. So it has a huge air gap. That's what we want for high performance cars, basically, is to pump a lot of air through there. They are curved vanes, so they're going to suck in a lot of air and pump that through there, keeping things cool. These are all wired to an aluminum hat, which gives us the right hat depth that we need to run such a wide caliper and it to fit under your 15 by 7, let's say 15 by 8 torque thrust Ds, or a wheel kind of similar to that. So I hope that was informational. If you've got any more questions, you can always email me at Shaun, SHAUN, @streetortrack.com, or give us a call. Thanks.